Good day, Patriot Custom Automotive fans. Today we'll be going over how to install a simple flat decal of a medium to large size. Since this is going to be geared towards the military Mopars group, because I'll be using a military Mopars decal for today. Today's block construction will be a little bit more geared towards military personnel, so my civilian folks out there, I apologize if any of this is confusing, but it's normal day-to-day operations for the rest of us. So first things first, we'll be conducting this training today in a well-ventilated, brightly lit area with zero safety concerns present. We have an emergency exit over there. I have a water source over here. It's a nice day, no inclement weather is to be expected. In the event of an emergency, please pause the video, go handle your emergency, come back, resume the video, and we'll be good and we'll get through this together. All right, so some things you will need. Tape. Green automotive tape is preferred. However, if you cannot have or you cannot find green automotive tape, you can use blue painter's tape. Both are very safe on vehicles. Both are very good for decals. Green's preferred, blue is alright. If you don't have any of those, you can always get yourself some masking tape. Masking tape's a little bit harsher, but that should be okay. I wouldn't recommend using anything else such as duct tape. If you find duct tape and you want to use it for something like this, don't do it, soldier. You're going to screw it up. It's going to be all looking like a soup sandwich by the time that you're done. So find yourself some better tape than duct tape. Alright, first things first. Prepping the area. Take some sort of a glass cleaner or alcohol or ammonia-based cleaner. When I say alcohol-based cleaner, I mean something like isopropyl, not Jack Daniels. Keep that in mind. Get the area cleaned up. Nice and shiny. Want to just basically have the whole area free and clear of any debris or greasy substances or any of that good stuff. Alright, you're going to take your tape that you've got. That's our green automotive tape. So about 1.5 times the length of your decal you're going to install. You're going to want to place it right about in the middle, slightly offset. So it looks similar to that. You're going to want to figure out where you're going to want to place it on the vehicle. Once you get your placing done and it makes you happy, go ahead and tape it down. You want to tape it down in the middle because we're going to be pulling this flap over here in just a moment. Now, next thing we're going to use is some sort of an application fluid. You can use a drop of water, or I'm sorry, a drop of soap and some water. I would recommend using something like Dawn. Not that I endorse any one specific company or another, but you're going to need something like that handy to help get this on there so it's free and clear of bubbles. So, once you get your corner of the sticker, the decal, you pull it ever so gently from the paper, keeping the paper flat, pulling the decal over, just lay it flat. You don't want to do this in a windy environment. If you do this where there's too much wind, it could catch that flap, and that's the last thing that you want. Another thing you got to be careful of here is I'm not touching the paint of the vehicle with the scissors because we don't want to scratch it. Take your application fluid, generously spray both the decal and the surface area. Next thing you're going to need is you're going to need either a squeegee type tool or some sort of a piece of plastic, definitely nothing metal. I find these very handy for something like this. You can always just pull your CAC out and use it. For my civilian folks out there, that stands for Common Access Card. Keep your mind out of the gutter. So, grab your CAC, nice and smooth, push down the middle, and fan it towards the outside. Just a little bit, no pressure. You want to kind of go like this so it's nice and easy. You don't want to push down like that. You could end up tearing something. That's the last thing that you want. Carefully pull the tape up at this side. Feel free to discard it. Done with that. Pull the decal back a little bit. Remove this side of the paper. Like so. You want to discard that as well. Spray your area back down. Just give it a little bit of a pull so it's nice and flat. Pull your CAC out again. Nice little push to get the middle down, and just very gently, work it out like that. I'm just putting almost no pressure on there at all whatsoever. Just working out any of the little bubbles, any of the little wrinkles. Get all that fluid out of there, and we're good to go as far as that goes. Some kind of a clean towel, very gently wipe away the excess fluid. You park this sucker in the sun or let it bake on there, it'll be absolutely perfect in about 2 hours. But right now, as you can see, it's not going anywhere. It's on there, looks great. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, follow Patriot Custom Automotive, all that other good stuff, and we'll see you all next time.